So just going to talk to you today a bit about the separation modules and how they work within the DSM. So obviously we're taking our 4-up printed sheet, we're removing the outer shell of the paper and leaving us with our finished product to take straight to our next process. So streamlining your workflow, removing those manual touch points. So how do the separators work? So we can have up to 7 separators within the DSM. This is a separator module. We have a series of wheels and the PC controller, again, making it nice and user-friendly. This particular job we're running, we're using 4 separators, which is highlighted by these blue rectangles. And the outer 2 are what's called margin guides, so they're always on. So what they're doing is we're literally telling the module when to turn on and when to turn off. So if in this instance, with this particular job, we've got 4 separators running across the sheet, and we're simply turning on to push the waste down and then off to allow the product to pop up onto the delivery there. So that's job separation, streamlining your workflow and removing those manual touch points.